What's good, crypto? I'm your host, Marvin, here to bring you the daily scoop on everything going on in crypto. This weekend, we had some crazy price action, actually really last night. Bitcoin returns with a vengeance and shoots up to $66,000. But why? Let's talk about it and some conspiracy. Also, Ethereum continues to crush it, hitting all-time highs, and so does Avalanche and many other altcoins. People, we are feeling good. The altcoin is heating up, and the market cap looks ridiculous. Can you feel the excitement? All weekend at my brother's bachelor party, people were talking about crypto. People were talking about NFTs. People want to get in. This is exciting. You're starting to see people start getting interested, and then they're going to start asking you where to buy stuff and what you buy and what you're invested in. We are starting to see people turn their heads. This is exciting. Monday through Friday, we come here to educate ourselves when it comes to investing in crypto to make life-changing wealth. None of this is financial advice, as I'm not a financial advisor, so make sure you do your own due diligence and research. This is all pure spectacle and entertainment. If you're interested in signing up for Celsius to earn $50 in Bitcoins with a deposit of $400 more in USDC, and earn an extra $50 using Stable 50, make sure to use the link in my description. Follow me on TikTok at Crypto by Marvin and on Twitter, and then on Instagram, Media by Marvin. We're doing an NFT giveaway with Spooky Souls. If you're interested, make sure to go to my Twitter. Go to the giveaway, which it literally says enter here, and then just comment a ghost emoji and follow me. That's all you gotta do. No purchase required. Free giveaway. I want to get you guys into crypto and DeFi. Let's jump in. Taking a look at things first, the Crypto Fear and Greed Index is sitting at a comfy 75. We are still in greed. So 76 is where we start to tap into extreme greed. Right now, we have been hovering for the last about week, really, or last month, hanging out between the 70 and 75 range with the Fear and Greed Index. So people are feeling good. People are getting bullish. People are excited about crypto. And right now, things are starting to heat up. So I'm glad that we're at 75, considering we were at $66,000 and now we're hanging over our previous all-time highs. We're hanging out at 65,000. Things look fantastic. Let me refresh the page. Take a look at what's going on. The global market cap is at 2.85 trillion. For a quick second, we actually did hit an all-time high, I believe, of 3 trillion at some point this morning. I forget when. I must have been asleep, but it was very, very close, if not. That just continues to add legitimacy to the crypto space, adding another trillion. It's really, really good. And keep in mind, the market cap of gold is 10 trillion. The entire market cap of crypto is just at about 3. That tells me that we have a lot of room to run. Taking a look at Bitcoin and what it's doing, we can see that we had a major pump last night. But why? Why is this going on? We were hanging out for about 3 weeks at this really $60,000 to $63,000 region, kind of just bouncing back and forth, which is so healthy for crypto. That's what we want for Bitcoin, especially. We want to see Bitcoin consolidate over $60,000. That is very bullish. It didn't just fall off a cliff. It is hanging out there. Yes, we did dip down to 57, 58,000 very quickly, but we got out of that. And now Bitcoin is looking for revenge. We're hanging out at 65,000. But why did this happen? Well, there is a rumor circulating. Last night, Barry Silbert, CEO and founder, or CEO of Digital Currency Group that owns Grayscale, they are in the process of turning their Grayscale trust into a spot ETF. We're waiting for this to happen. The investment firm had intended to file its application to the Securities and Exchange Commission as soon as the agency allowed efforts by competitors for futures-based Bitcoin ETF, said the person. That happened late Friday. So we have Barry Silbert, the CEO, tweet yesterday, going to be a big week. Does that mean we're going to get a Bitcoin spot ETF? We don't know, but this is very exciting. And weirdly enough, if you're watching this, you can see the second that he tweeted this, Bitcoin was at $62,327, and then we rallied up to $66,000. So could we get a spot ETF? We don't know, but that is very, very generous if we do get it. We have Eric Balchunas. He is a senior ETF analyst at Bloomberg. He says the odds are 200 to 1, and that's him being generous. So we'll see. We don't know, but this could be really, really exciting. But Bitcoin has been consolidating for a while at 60,000, so it's good to see Bitcoin doing well and hanging out there. So we have time. We have to wait to see what happens of this. So don't make any bets or anything on that, but who knows? We could see something. Ethereum continuing to smash all-time highs, hanging out at $4,700. Just to give you perspective, when I first bought Ethereum this year, I bought it at like $1,600, and I felt late to the party. Little did I know that I was very wrong, and Ethereum has a lot of room to run. So if you're thinking it's late, just think about the position that we're in, think about how far we've come and how far we'll continue to go. Don't FOMO in. If you're going to buy crypto for the first time, have an exit strategy. Don't get overly greedy. That's the biggest thing. Don't get too greedy. Binance Coin also went through a freaking moon this weekend and went up to like $666 or something like that. Now it's sitting at $648. It was stagnant for so long, so long at like the $200, $300 like range. It would get to 400. It got to like 500 for a second, got rejected back to 400. So awesome to see coins that have been stagnant starting to carry some weight and start throwing some punches around. Solana at 243 doing amazing. Cardano over $2. It's been in this accumulation range for quite some time, doing really nothing. And now we see it starting to kind of move out of this range. So we would really like to see Cardano get over $2.15 in my opinion to really confirm a breakout. But I think just the bullishness of the market is getting it excited. XRP up a little bit, not really doing a lot. Polkadot at $52. That's awesome to see. Avalanche at $95, just crushing it. Terra 51. Chainlink at $34. Things are starting to heat up. VeChain at $16.47. Holy moly. Things are just looking good. If you're holding like most of the coins in the top 50, your bags are pretty heavy. Things are looking really, really nice for crypto. Top winners right now, Loopring up 33%, Crypto.com up 17%. They got listed on Coinbase, so they're getting a little bit of that effect. Avalanche at $95, Phantom at $3. Overall, things are looking fantastic. Even AMP is up. I can't imagine there being too many losers. Decentraland is down a little bit, but it did have a crazy run. Helium had a pretty crazy run too. Anything that basically has gone up significantly in the last 7 to 30 days is down only a little bit basically. The only one that's kind of been underperforming in these losers right now is Quant and Clayton in the last 30 days. In the last 30 days, they are underperforming compared to what we're talking about right now. Like basically anything that has been an NFT metaverse play has been on fire. Like Engine up 86% in the last month at over $3.50, 15 cents. I never thought I'd see that. Like it hanging out at $3. Amazing to see that. Solana down 3%, but again, it's had a crazy run. Chili's hanging out at 47 cents. Harmony, it's kind of been stagnant for a little bit, but I'm not concerned because before everything ran, it ran even harder. It like front ran everything back early in the end of October. It got up to almost 40 cents, I believe, like 38 cents. Now it's consolidated and bounced up, and we can see that it's actually developing this really nice upward trend over the last couple of days. We have this awesome hammer candle, really kind of like saying like, oh, this is going to be a reversal trend or a trend reversal, and we're starting to see it up in that way. I've been buying more and more Harmony as I can on the dips, just because I think this is going to be a beast of a coin. I've been saying it. It looks so insanely bullish, the whole entire chart setup. The fact that its market cap is just at 3.2 billion, I think this is going to be a monster. Layer 2s are killing it, and they have such a good ecosystem in terms of like NFTs and everything. It's just doing so good. But overall, you can't really be complaining about the state of the market. Things just look good. And if we do get information about ETF, that'd be insane. But I'm not betting anything on that. I'd rather just kind of keep my ducks in a row. But things are looking absolutely juicy. In other news too, let's take a look. I don't really have too much to like say. There's not a lot of going on. We do have Vivi. Yesterday they had their golden collection drop, and yesterday was actually a pretty rough drop. It was the Simpsons golden moments, and the whole entire thing crashed. Like, they were just overwhelmed and swamped with so many people going on, and crashed the servers like crazy. They say that they fixed it. They're working with their vendor to make sure that the experience for the drops are way better this week for the rest of the drop, because these are so hot. And then also, if you get either one, I believe you get either a 3-month or a 12-month subscription to Disney Plus, which is pretty awesome. But today we have the Elsa from Frozen golden NFT, and then we also have the Mickey Mouse Sorcerer Hat rare NFT. So hopefully I'll get one of them today. Later this week there's the Avengers one, there's the Star Wars one, so if I'm able to get my hands on them, I will. I'm going to hold those on forever because I think they're just going to be so valuable, in my opinion. But overall, things are looking fantastic. There's really no major news, no major groundbreaking announcements, other than crypto's just looking good. Crypto's looking good. And just start developing a strategy on taking profits. Like, you can see things are looking great. I'm going to be starting to take profits in the near future. Probably in the next couple of weeks, I'll be taking some off the table, staking my crypto or lending it, and just earn that passive income. Because even if it's 38% a year, that's something to accumulate. Or with lending crypto, you're looking at 20 to 40% depending on the APY. And that's just a lot of extra money. Like, if you made a decent amount and you're able to make like 30% off of that for doing nothing, that is free money. So consider exit strategies and what you're gonna do once you get that money. Have a great day, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Other than that, things are looking fantastic.